Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill Silvano machine. It had an issue with it was not getting good pressure, and we had steam coming out of the head and also steam coming out of, in the drawer here, there's a pipe underneath. There you see it, that little short one. There's steam coming out of there. And that's a classic sign that the air valve is bad. So we went ahead and replaced it, and now the machine's working great. So you have good pressure. I probably put a little too much coffee in it. This is the customer was using a 1 cup filter basket. I'm not as familiar with how much coffee goes in a 1 cup because I always use 2 cups. But we're getting a nice crema. And that's 1 shot right there. That's an ounce. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.